So I want to talk about knee pain and tight calves. Now, especially when you get knee pain in the front part, just underneath the patella or the kneecap. Sometimes they call this patellar tendonitis. Now, the patella is a kneecap, and there's a tendon attached to the top part of that bone, which is then connected to your quadricep muscles on your front part of your thigh. So this is usually caused by tight calf muscles. Now, sometimes it could be tight hamstrings, but most of the time it's going to be a tight calf muscle. And you're going to have a difficulty of bringing your foot upwards, okay? So when you bring your foot upward, that's called dorsiflexion. So you won't be able to do that as well. Why? Because your calf is tight. So there's an interesting 2011 study that shows that when you have reduced dorsiflexion, which is tight calves, that is going to increase your risk of getting patellar tendonitis by a factor of 16x. So you want to avoid that condition because that's going to affect your ability to run, jump, and do other types of motion. So what is the solution? Stretch the calf muscle. So to stretch the calf muscle, you can just go on your stairs, either going downstairs or going upstairs, and put the front part of your foot on one of the steps and then start stretching the calves. Or better yet, you can start stretching your calves on a slant board. And after you do that for a few days, I would add another exercise, and I would start to do this statically. In other words, not on a step or on the slant board. You take a small pillow, put it between the knees, and then you take both of your knees and actually draw a circle clockwise, okay, about 10 times, and then draw a circle counterclockwise. Now, doing this exercise, you are going to help the dorsiflexion, but you're going to do it in a coordinated way. Then you can actually do this on the slant board to increase even more coordinated activity while you're stretching it at the same time. Now, if you want more information about the stretch, check out the video I put down below. So if you're enjoying my content, which I hope you are, and you're applying this knowledge to your health, and you have a success, I would really appreciate you sharing your success story. So click the link down below to my website where you can upload your success story so you can help inspire others.